Here in today's video, I'm going to dive into 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, they're high demand. These keywords have been researched carefully using 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze their profitability metrics, as well as additional steps that we take in our strategy to help us determine profitable keywords as well. So before we get started, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. And there will also be a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro, as well as a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to KDP interiors, keywords as well, graphics, as well as fonts, all with commercial license. So let's get started with the first keyword for the day out of the 3. And our first keyword is Astrology books for beginners. Astrology books for beginners is a really good keyword to include as part of a subtitle or as part of the 7 keyword slots for anything astrology, horoscopes, zodiac related, spirituality as well, anything mystical in terms of a journal, a workbook, an activity book, or a high content book as well. Also, additionally, if you have anything related to manifestation, as in products in KDP, you can go ahead and add this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots. If you are writing an astrology book, or if you are creating a workbook, logbook, even a activity book or coloring book as well, you can include this as part of this title, as part of the subtitle. Let's break down the results. First of all, we have a keyword niche score of 68, strong and solid by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. The total result for this is within that 1,000, 2,000 range, and it is currently sitting at 1,967. The average bestseller rank is within that 400,000, so it's still acceptable as long as it's under within that 400,000 range, and it is averaging 486,859. Average reviews are 1,932 and average price is $13.17. Scrolling down as well, we do want to aim to find a minimum of 2 to 3 books with a BSR under 100,000 that are not sponsored. So for example, this is a sponsored book. We're not going to go ahead and look at it, and just like right here, all these books are not sponsored. There are no ads running. And look at this, we've got our first book, 4,158 is the bestseller rank. Now this one is selling approximately 750 copies on a monthly basis, generating around $2,022. This one, our second book, is 11,754, selling around 360 per month, generating 899. Our third book is 10,245 and it is selling around 360 copies and it is generating 1,055. Scrolling down as well, we've also found other books. Book number 4, book number 5, this one with 17,302 is the bestseller. 57,000 is the bestseller for this one as well. We've got other books that are ranking well, 66,998 for this one. So as you can see, books are selling well without being currently sponsored, so there are no ads running as well for this keyword. Then again, highly recommend to use this keyword either for the subtitle or for the 7 keyword slots on any books that are connected to this topic: astrology, spirituality, mysticism, new age, that kind of stuff. So let's dive into the second keyword for today's video. And our second keyword is Floral 2024 Planner 8x10. Now this is a really profitable keyword, and as you can see, we have a keyword niche score of 100, which is the highest on the scale when it comes to the keyword niche score provided by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. Amazon's Cat Pro has given us a number 7, categorizing this as a nice niche, and also all the other metrics confirm the profitability, starting with the total results under 1,000, and it's sitting at 764, and also average bestseller rank is below 400,000, and it's sitting at 55,885. Average reviews are 1,190. Average price is $10.54. Fabulous. Also, scrolling down, aiming again for books that are not sponsored, starting with this one, 18,700, 18,896, 12,486. Notice the covers as well. Now, I know these are not independently published, these books that we listed, but then again, there will always be that gap for you to include your book that is self-published into this wonderful keyword as well. 83,000, 6,800, 6,400, 12,000 for this one as well. Scrolling down further, we have found a couple of really good books that are selling wonderfully and beautifully ranking. This one's at 5,100, so you understand what I'm talking about when it comes to these things as well. Another thing to notice is that there are books that are independently published. For example, this one's independently published as well, and it's ranking beautifully within the metric that we require it to be. This one as well, although it's in the 300s, but it is generating consistent sales, not as consistently as we would like to, but this is also a wonderful niche that you can embark on and utilize the wonderful keyword for any sort of floral planner that is closer to this size. I'm not sure if it's 8 by 10 is allowed in KDP. Do confirm for me in the comment section below if you're familiar with 8 by 10 is allowed in KDP or not. And if it's not, then you could use this wonderful keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots for anything floral planner related as well. So a planner that you created that is revolving around the floral, botanical, herbal design as well. Include this wonderful keyword in the 7 keyword slots and reap the rewards as well. So that was the second keyword for the day. Let's dive into our third and final keyword, which is winter 2024 composition notebook. And I love this keyword. It screams profitability from all sorts of metrics as well, starting with this really strong and solid keyword niche score of 64 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. We also have a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro, which has given us a number 9 right over here, green light, ready to go, solid and strong, and the highest on the scale when it comes to what Amazon Scout Pro has to offer us when it comes to the keyword niche score. The total results are a beautiful 32. They're also really low as well. The average bestseller rank is under 400,000, and it is averaging 267,621, just the way we like it. The reviews are 36, and the price is $8.27 when it comes to the average price.